how to open Binance account in Canada. So basically, if you'd like to open up your Binance account in Canada, it is very simple to do so. Now, first of all, let me tell you, it doesn't matter where you're from, whether you're from Canada, India, UK, USA, or whatever else. The process to open up the account is actually just the same. So you just have to go ahead and launch the Binance app as you normally would. Then you just have to go to this option that says sign up or log in. So you can go to the sign up login button. It will ask you to enter your email or your phone number, right? So just go ahead and then make sure to enter your email address as well as also the phone number that you have right there. And then if you want to create account, right, so just go ahead. So if you're from Canada, you can enter a Canadian number as well if you have one, and just hit the next button. Then it will say that it will send a verification code to the email or phone number. So if you provided a phone number, it will send verification code to the phone number. If you provided email, it will send verification code to the email. So you can go ahead and select that and then just hit the next button right there to be able to open your Binance account in Canada. So I hope this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.